Kitty, come here. This is my friend Kitty. Kitty, this is everybody. Kitty got to have some sake.
This is our
We really like sake, don't we?
This is our kitty drinking sake.
Come here. Come here.
Because we're having the late
Poochie,
sake party.
come on. Poochie gets very, very upset when she doesn't get to have fried chicken when we have fried chicken. She threw a huge tantrum when I did not share my fried chicken with her. Didn't you, Poochie? And she does a dance when you scratch her butt. Good girl.